Okay, I think everyone can see my screen. Okay. Hmm. Now you can always go back and debug where you have uh, done any mistakes. So because you can see here in the settings, okay, this is the thing that I made yesterday, light on. So this is the Google Assistant part. This is the this part which we made, the Google Assistant part. I just said light on, or um, I just say light on, then the Google Assistant will reply me, okay, sir, just turning on the light or something. And the other way, just turn on the light. I just said all these things, and the request is same, the body and the link is the same. Okay, so I'll just save this again. You can always go back and debug it. Now, what we'll do is we'll just go to our Google Assistant and make sure that our Google Assistant could make changes in our device. For example, I'll just say in our Google Assistant, turn on the light. That will trigger the one second. I'll just go to Paint and show you. Okay. First, what I'll say is, I'll just say in my phone Google Assist, turn on the light. Then when this IFTTT or the Google Assistant gets the trigger saying turn on the light, that will immediately send a web request, and will send this web request will send a digital value 1, I mean the digital logic 1, to the Blinky cloud, and Blinky cloud will update the value in the Node MCU, and the Node MCU will be controlling our relay. For now, we'll just connect an LED in the D0 pin, and let's check if it works or not. Okay, give me a second. I'll just go back and pin myself. Better. Okay, this is submit. Come, one second. Okay, I'll just pin. Okay, I'll just pin myself here. I'll just pin myself and switch on the camera. I'll just switch the camera. Okay. Now initially our LED is off, right? Just let me bring resolution to high so that it looks clearly. Yeah. Now you can see my LED is initially off. So I'll just stop sharing in this, and I'll just share it in my phone, and I'll just say turn on the light, and the Google Assistant will reply me saying that okay, I'll turning on the light. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Home screen, and now I'll just say to my Google Assistant, turn on the light. Okay. Okay, it is replying me saying that okay, sir, turning on the light. Now you can see the light will be on. Just give me a second. I'll just switch on my camera. Now you can see that light is on. Okay. Now what I'll do is, now I'll just say turn off the light. Okay. Okay, Google, turn off the light. You can see it is just saying turning off the light, and now the light will be off. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. Did you get the point how IFTTT works and how do we connect it to Blinky sort of thing? If you understood, yes. If any point you didn't understand, just no in the chat box. Yes, understood. Yes, yes. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Um, okay, I just want an audience poll. Guys, did you see my hardware? I mean, just switching on light and off. I just presented, right? Did you people see my hardware? Yes, yes. You can see the light switching on and off, right? Give me a second. Okay, that's cool. Now I need an audience poll that shall we continue with the ThinkSpeak today? Yeah, we'll do the ThinkSpeak tomorrow. If we were, you people say just we'll do the ThinkSpeak tomorrow, then we'll do the ThinkSpeak tomorrow. Okay, cool. And I'll just summarize the whole thing once again so that you people could understand it. Okay, in a better way. Okay, first what you do is, let me present my screen. I'll just summarize the whole thing what I said today in just 10 minutes. Okay. So what are we trying today? We are just triggering the things using IFTTT. Okay. We are triggering our node MCU using IFTTT. Okay. What are we doing? The two steps in the IFTTT. One is Google Assist, which is the this step. When this is encountered, just do that. What is this in this per caption? The Google Assistant. The Google Assistant, if I say turn on the light or switch on the lamp, it is going to give a web request. Okay, I should say switch on, right? Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, when it is sending the link, I just triggered it out with the same thing, switching on, yeah, turning on the light. Both are the same links. Okay, you're going to say the Google Assistant turn on the light, then it will make a web request saying that sending a value 1 to the Blinky cloud, and that Blinky cloud will update the value in the node MCU. Okay, so this is what we did. When that one turn on voice command saying that turn on is appeared, then just make a web request with the logic 1 to the Blinky cloud. Automatically the Blinky cloud will update the node MCU. Okay, this is what we did. So another way of doing this thing is we just went to this thing, this RESTful APIs of Blinky, and we just use this get request, get via put request to update the values. Okay, we just put it here and we just edited our authentication token. We just edited with our authentication token and we give the pin number. Make sure the pin number should be D16 or I mean D0 if it is D0, D16. And if you are giving the pin numbers according to this thing, okay, this GPIOs. Okay, if it is GPIO 16, yes, just give GPIO 16. Is it clear to everyone? Yeah. If it is GPIO 16, give it D16. If it is GPIO 5, just give. What's wrong with this? If it is GPIO 5, then just give D5. If it is GPIO 4, then just give D4. So you give the request in that value, and in the value you just give 1, then the LED will be on, and if you give 0, the LED will be off. Okay, if you wanted to see, you just look at my other account, which is Satya Karthik. You can see the live show, that the live changing, like 1, if it is 1, then it will turn on, and when it is like 0, then it will turn off. Okay, and next what we did, we just triggered the same thing using IFTTT. We made an applet. How did we made? We just go to create, we just go to ifttt.com and just we go to create, we just go to this and we just go to this, and here we try to do Google Assistant, and we just fill all these forms saying some, I'll just fill it now with some some random text, something here like this, and I'll just create a trigger, and in that you just and you have to do webhooks, and in webhooks you're just going to give the web request. I just told you how to give a request. In the web request, make sure you just put and you select JSON, and the body should be enclosed in this braces, and it should be inside the semi-quotes, and in 1 if it is switch on, and 0 if it is switch off. And where you'll get this URL, you just go to this RESTful APIs, and you just go to this and this update one. Okay, this will update the Blinky cloud. Okay, you just copy this thing and you just put this here, and you'll just change the authentication token, and you'll just update the pin number, and you just create an action. I'm not creating this action now again, because too many applicants will screw up my Google Assistant when I use it personally. Okay, this is the basic summary, and what we'll do is just another 10 minutes. We'll just end up the session in another 10 minutes. Okay, in another 10 minutes, we'll just end up the session. We'll just make sure you people know what is LDR, because tomorrow we are just doing ThinkSpeak. Okay, just what we'll do is I need another audience poll for this also. Will we